Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing amazingly well. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to try a new palette. So I recently bought this Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Eyeshadow Palette, and guys, this palette is so beautiful. I really wanted to do like a first impressions with it, and some of them are plain pigments and pressed shadows, so yeah, I was really excited. Also, this palette is for rupees 2850. But of course you can get it on discount. I know it is expensive, but I mean the quality looks so good. Like the packaging is so pretty and everything. I mean, I cannot really wait to swatch the eyeshadows. And also when I got this palette, I was excited as a baby. My exams were going on, so I could not create any look or anything of that sort. So what I just used to do is that I would open this palette every single day, stare at it for like 15 minutes straight, and then I would pack it back and just keep it aside. But yeah, finally the time has come that I would try it. I'm pretty excited. Also, the best thing about this palette is that it comes with a big mirror, which is so amazing and so handy. The mirror is crystal clear. Because this has so many colors, I'm so confused for what look I should create. So I was just scrolling through my Instagram last night and I found this picture, face chart. It is a face chart, I hope you can see, and their either rate is milk1422. So yes, I am going to recreate this look. Like, I might twerk the colors here and there, but yeah, it has so many colors incorporated in it. You see, it has red, blue, purple, a little bit of gold. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one. So to first begin with, I'm going to take a mix of these two shadows, dusting off the excess because I do not know how pigmented it is, and I'm going to, apply it as my transition shade. These eyeshadow do have a little bit of kickback, like you can see on the pan. Just taking a clean brush to, blend it all off. I will just zoom you guys in. The eyeshadows are super blendable and super pigmented. They are a bit powdery and have a little bit of kickback in the pan, but still they feel very creamy and super blendable on the eyes. Now after that, I'm just going to take this color alone and I'm going to maybe mix it with this color right here. It is a satin color, but I don't mind it. So I'm just going to apply it right here. I'm also going to take this on my lower lash line. After that, I'm going to take this red color from here. It's called Miss Tropicana, and I'm going to apply it on this area, like my crease only, but my inner crease. This is just not sticking to my eyes, so I'm just going to try it again with a more precise pencil brush. It's just not sticking to my eyes. Maybe because I have not used any eyeshadow primer, I don't know. But yeah, looks good enough to me. I'm going to again take a blending brush. I'm going to blend these two colors. I'm also going to like take it up a little, the red one, like I'm going to blow it out. Then next I'm going to take this color. I'm going to pick it up with my fingers because I'm going to apply it on my inner corners. So there it goes. Again, beautifully pigmented, like I really like it. Then I'm also going to take this deeper blue color and I'm going to apply it on the middle of my eyes. Oh my god, there's a lot of fallouts. I would really suggest you guys to do your eyes first with this palette because I'm facing a lot of fallouts. Oh, it just works so beautifully with a finger than with a brush. Again, going to take this dark green gunmetal sort of a shade again. I'm going to apply it on my outer corners. Also, with these eyeshadows, I feel that you need some base for your eyeshadows to stick better. So can you see that crazy amount of fallouts? It's insane. Trying to brush the fallouts, but it's clearly not going anywhere. But anyway, we will fix our makeup later, so it's all chill. Now I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other eye, remove all the fallouts and then come right back. I literally had to redo my base makeup. So I would really request you guys that if you're using this palette, then please do your eye makeup before your base. Otherwise you would have to work on your base again, because it is powdery, it is going to have fallouts on your face. So yeah, now let's move forward. Okay, so next I'm going to pick this shade from right here. It is a beautiful golden, like a yellow gold color. It's called Honey Pot. This shade is literally very creamy, and you see the pop, it's so beautiful. Oh my god guys, I'm not even kidding you guys, it's a cream eyeshadow. I'm also going to take a little bit of it on my lower lash line, like the inner 1/3. I'm just going to take a little bit of the shade which is called Flames. Yeah, it has just put a little bit of glitters, and I'm going to pop that right over the shade. Yeah, like that. Now I would just quickly apply some kajal, mascara and my eyelashes. So that is our finished look. Now talking about this palette, I felt it was super pigmented, but it definitely needs something to stick on to. Like, you cannot apply it directly on your bare skin. So what I used was just leftover foundation that was on my brush. I just brushed it off my eyelids and that did not work. So yeah, definitely use something which is sticky. And then secondly, what I felt about these eyeshadows are that they are very powdery and have a lot of kickback in the pan, but they also disappear into nothingness if you blend it too much. Third point is that these eyeshadows layer really well. They sit on top of each other beautifully. Overall, I really like the eyeshadow palette. It's just that next time I use it, I will ensure that I am using an eyeshadow primer underneath. And yeah, also one major thing, that it has a lot of fallouts. So please do your eyes before your base. So yes, that will be it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then make sure you like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link to that will be mentioned in my description box below. And yeah, so now I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.